Hey KEMET fans, last time we saw each other I was in Germany and I told you we had a very exciting product launch coming up in June. Now I'm here in our home base in beautiful Fort Lauderdale, Florida to tell you that the time is almost here. For some time now, KEMET has been about more than just capacitors. These are some of our current power inductor offerings. But you've spoken and we listened. You told us to bring the KEMET experience and service model to more areas of the power inductor space. With this new launch, we will address the needs of popular inductance values and footprints such as these. So, be on the lookout for our product launch video hitting the social streams very soon. Stay connected with us by following KEMET Electronics on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. We will also be sharing brand new videos weekly on our YouTube channel. And of course, you can always find great information on our Engineering Center blog, ec.kemet.com.